Hi, in this video let me show you how to clear a paper jam on your Epson WorkForce WF-7820. So to clear a paper jam, well, there's many different places where we can look. The first step is to pull this screen up. Over here, this is the paper output. You can push this inside. If it was out, take the paper output tray, and to remove it completely, you're going to press this latch, okay, keep it pressed and pull completely out. Here you go. Set this aside. And this is the first place where you can check for any paper jam by going down below. Usually you're going to see your paper sticking out there. Take it with your fingers with a pair of tweezers and you're going to fix it. Now if nothing is wrong, we're going to continue on the back of the printer. On the back, you're going to pinch and you're going to pull. This whole thing will come out. And again, there's a good chance that you're going to notice some paper getting jammed over here or over there. If you see anything wrong, again, using your fingers, you'll be able to extract it. If you have a paper jam using the automatic document feeder, you can open this flap and your paper stock will be there. As you notice, on the side of the printer we have this gap. If you lift it, you're going to have access to all the internals. Again, this is another place where you can check for any paper jam. If this ink carriage is not able to swing left and right, it's because something is in the way. Usually it's a piece of paper. Check under it to see if this was the case and remove it using a pair of tweezers. Finally, if you're using the back paper input, sometimes paper gets stuck over there as well. So by taking a look over here, there's a good chance that you'll see the paper that was getting stuck. At the end, I always recommend to unplug the printer from the back, okay? Pull this cable, wait around a minute, plug it back, and then power on your printer. The error will disappear. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.